Hello and welcome. It's so great to be here with you today. Today I'm going to share with you all about my breakfast, how I start my day in a really powerful way, totally hormonally balanced. And I almost always start my day with a shake because I can put everything in there that I want to nourish me, and it's very easy to digest, and I don't have to be super hungry to drink it, and it really nourishes me. So I'm going to share with you exactly what I put in my shake right now. It does vary, but here's what I'm using currently. So first, I actually take some hemp hearts and some chia seeds, and I mix them together in a jar. And it's so great. You just mix them up. I put less hemp hearts, they're called hearts, than I do chia seeds because chia seeds have way more fiber. Hemp hearts have a lot of good protein, less fiber. But it's plant-based protein, but it's, omega-3s and some omega-6s, and it's just a nice combination. It adds a lot of bulk to your shake and just tastes really good. And so I mix those together, and then I have this lasts quite a long time. I use a couple tablespoons for myself each day in my shake. And my base is actually about a third of a cup of organic pure aloe juice, and then about, a quarter cup or a third cup of pure cranberry juice, maybe more like a quarter cup. I like to use this just to keep my urinary tract in good shape. It also has a lot of great antioxidants. So anything brightly colored has a lot of great antioxidants which help keep inflammation down. I also use blueberries a lot. Sometimes I use raspberries. You could use strawberries. Any kind of berry is great. Blackberries are good. They're full of antioxidants and super healthy. So you use about a cup of berries. Then I like to use celery. Celery is great for heart health, and I just love it. It's so cleansing, has really good fiber. I like carrots because they're easy to throw in there. Good beta carotene, more good fiber, and then I love ginger. I think ginger is wonderful. It's so anti-inflammatory. It's really soothing to the digestive tract. It lowers heat in the body. And I use a pretty good piece, not this big, but maybe just cut off the end here, something like that. And then I've been using pumpkin. I just take a big heaping tablespoon of pumpkin and I throw it in there. And it's really delicious and great for your body. Really good fiber, good antioxidants, so great. Antioxidants are things like vitamins A, C, E, zinc, and selenium. So a lot of good antioxidants in there. Probably not a lot of zinc in pumpkin, but maybe a little bit. And then I use my protein powder. So I actually blend all of this up in the blender first, and I'll also add probably half a cup of water. So half a cup of water, maybe a third cup aloe, maybe a quarter cup cranberry juice, and then my berries, my veggies. I also add a handful of cilantro sprouts or broccoli sprouts. I don't have any right now, but that's what I normally put in every single day. And then a couple tablespoons of the hemp chia seeds. And then I blend that all up, and then I add my protein powder because you want to blend this at the very end on gentle. And you don't want to get this hot. So I use the unflavored pure paleo. It's not sweetened, but it has a lot more protein in it. So I use almost a full scoop of that. It's about 41 grams of protein. So that's a lot, which is great because I want to try to get a minimum of 100 grams a day in. And then I'll add a few other things, a few other supplements. I'll add a scoop of the C+ BioFizz. So it's a really great combination of vitamin C plus the bioflavonoids. And it also has in it a little bit of calcium, magnesium, so it's a buffered vitamin C, and quite a bit of potassium. And it also has quercetin and rutin and hesperidin, and those are the bioflavonoids, but quercetin is a wonderful antihistamine. I really like that. It has a good flavor. And then I add a scoop of the mag citrate powder for my magnesium. And then sometimes I'll add the IgGI Shield in. I usually get 1 scoop of this a day in something. Sometimes I'll add it into my shake. It's so great for cleaning up stuff in the gut. And that is my shake. So yeah, I'd love to hear some of the fun things that you put in your shake every day. I'll change up the pumpkin. I don't use that every time. I'll also use sprouts almost every day. I get fresh sprouts at our local market. So either radish sprouts, cilantro sprouts, broccoli sprouts. The broccoli sprouts are great liver support. The cilantro sprouts are great for chelating heavy metals. So they do different things. Sometimes I'll put a couple pieces of fresh broccoli in my shake, or yeah, anything else that I might have in my vegetable drawer. I'm not afraid to just throw some raw veggies in. So that's my morning shake, and I'd love to hear what you put in your morning shake. How do you start your day? All right, sending you so much love.